Okay, so in the Windows options you will see SS Store. Just click here. You can import many objects from there and many particle systems. Like if you don't want to make your own 3D character, you can import some files from here. You can import some buildings, and you can also import some enemies here. You can see Unity SS Store is opening. So if you scroll down, you can see there are many. Yes, these are the assets. You can see this is the SnapArt HD construction site. When if you buy this, you will have these awesome buildings and these cards directly to your project. It's just $30. Add to cart and payment. You will have these awesome construction things like this. So let's maximize this. You can see it has many 3D objects. When you will buy this, you can directly import these cool things to your project. As we are using this plane now, you can use this constructions as a scene. This is cool. You can directly import these things. Otherwise, you have to make your own environment. It have many free assets also. So in the filter option, just select some free assets. You can see there are 6,189 free assets. Here you can see this is the bold Sunnyland free platform game asset. These are the cool free assets you can directly install to your project. Okay, so we are going to make a zombie shooter game. We will need some assets which I have already downloaded. These are totally free. Here, RPG FPS game asset. This is the cool environment you will get. Just download and import it to your asset. When you will download, it will have a import option. Just click to the import and it will on directly load in your much for this introduction part. I hope you guys got the details about the Unity engine, and now you can use Unity engine yourself. You can guys practice yourselves by adding more 3D and 2D objects from here, and add some scripts and code. You can Google anything, and we have learned about how to add force. So guys, please, uh, let's practice about it. You will be more comfortable about it. Okay, so from the next video I will tell you about how to make zombie FPS shooting game. Okay, so we'll meet you soon. Bye bye.